Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the settings, of course, and to do that, press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it, of course, to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the other option, and then tap on it, and here select the system settings. Now, find the option called language, and tap on it, of course. And here you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, and once you find the language, then tap on it to select it, and it will be applied in few seconds. As you can see, now the language is applied. Okay, and of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Or it should at least, yeah, okay. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.